I've always been fascinated by the power of organization to transform our lives. You know that feeling when you walk into a perfectly tidy room? It's like, a weight lifts off your shoulders. Getting organized isn't just about having a clean space. It's about creating a life that runs smoothly, where you can focus on what really matters. Let's start with the heart of the home, the kitchen. Imagine walking into a kitchen where everything has its place. No more rummaging through cluttered drawers or overflowing cabinets. By using simple organizers and a thoughtful layout, you can turn your kitchen into a culinary haven. Now, let's move to the bedroom. This should be your sanctuary, a place of rest and rejuvenation. But how often does it become a dumping ground for laundry and miscellaneous items? The key here is to create systems. Think about your living room and bathroom. These spaces often accumulate clutter without us realizing it. In the living room, use decorative baskets to store blankets and magazines. In the bathroom, utilize vertical space with over-the-toilet shelving or a hanging organizer. Now you might be wondering, how can I maintain this organized lifestyle? The answer lies in daily habits. Start with a 10-minute declutter session each day. Set a timer and focus on one area. Maybe it's your desk or that dreaded junk drawer. Another game changer is the one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, remove one. This prevents accumulation and keeps your space balanced. And here's a pro tip. Before you buy something new, ask yourself, do I really need this? Where will it live in my home? Remember, getting organized isn't about perfection. It's about creating systems that work for you and your lifestyle. Start small, be consistent, and watch as these changes ripple through your life. You'll find yourself with more time, less stress, and a clearer mind.